What's the meaning of courtroom? Courtroom. Courtroom.
Courtroom. Courtroom. A courtroom is a place where legal proceedings take place, usually related to the administration of justice and the determination of legal rights. It typically involves a judge, lawyers, and other legal professionals who represent parties in a dispute or criminal matter. The proceedings may involve presenting evidence, making arguments, and ultimately reaching a verdict or judgment on the matter at hand. The result of a courtroom proceeding can range from a resolution of a civil dispute or criminal case to the imposition of penalties such as fines or imprisonment.